Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and yes, back with the Malayalam song reactions, the classic ones. So recently, Mohanlal's Ravana Prabhu released in the theatre, re-released in the theatres. So I thought, why not react to one of the songs from Ravana Prabhu? So this song is called Thakilu Pukilu. Thakilu Pukilu. This is the name of the song, and it is remastered also, but the only problem is that this does not have the subtitles. But I'll enjoy the song. You can let me know what it means exactly, but at least I'll enjoy the song. And it's sung by many singers are involved here. So we have MG Srikumar, Sujata Mohan, even Mohanlal himself has given the voice, then Prabhakaran, Radhika Tilak. Music by Suresh Peters and lyrics by Girish. So yes, let's watch this song right away. I have seen the clips of the song in so many mashup videos. Clearly a festival happening. I actually like the beats. It's quite a catchy song, huh? Oh, that's her. She's Karishma Kashmira Shah. I forget her exact name, but that's her. It's a very catchy song. Like, you get the festive spirit, even though I don't understand the lyrics without the subtitles are not there.
हरो हरा पावा वेलवने वळ्ळि नायकने पावा वेलवने वळ्ळि नायकने अगिल पुगिल पुरव कुळल तंदनतन पाडि वा
That voice went so low.
पटक तुळഞ്ഞ पडग पडिच पांडिय पडकेरि वा கவுண்டரே புரசு முட்டி பாடடே தாய்மொழியில் தாள மேள மங்களம் பாவா சுந்தரியே முத்தா முந்திரியே சட்டக்கு பாவா சுந்தரியே முத்தா முந்திரி சட்டக்கு
Oh, it just ended so abruptly. Wait. I'm sure, but this was released not long back. Is it supposed to end like that? Please let me know. I am assuming that because of the dancing, and it's so colorful. If you see everybody's outfits also so colorful, everybody is extremely happy, the festivities are happening. I'm assuming that the lyrics are very happy-go-lucky types. That's what I'm assuming. But what does Thakil Pukil means, please let me know. If somebody can just give me a gist. Oh, the song is about so and so. Okay, the song is about this festival. Maybe. But firstly, the first thing which you notice in this video are these really, really beautiful colors all around. Like it's so colorful, it's very bright. It just completely puts you in that happy place where when you see all these beautiful bright colors, it makes you happy, right? It makes you feel uplifted. So that's one thing. Second that you notice is obviously the dancing. Mohanlal's, our beloved Lalita's charm. And we know, he dances really freely, and I never see him whenever I've watched his videos, the older ones, even the newer ones for that matter. If it's a dance number, I've never seen him stiff with his body, right? He's very free with his movements and all. He does it very, very beautifully. So that's another thing that you notice. The third thing you obviously notice is the beautiful catchy beat. This song, even though I did not know the meaning of the lyrics, but it still made me groove because of how it was composed, how the beat production was, because it immediately makes you want to kind of groove, right? And then on top of that, MG Srikumar vocals, because the way his cadence is in this particular song, it's very uplifting, like na 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 na, and then you have Mohanlal's ad-libs. Everybody is ad-libbing in between, like yay, so these are really small things that the music director thinks of, and when everything is put together, it really makes the song whole. One might think that, oh, why this ad-lib is there, but no, it actually brings out the emotion in the song even more. So I love having actor ad-libs in the songs, because then you actually get to, it feels more personal. Not all songs have it, but there are a lot of songs, if you see, where you have little dialogues, little ad-libs, this and that, some interaction. So they make the song and the interaction more real. Like the feeling of the song comes out more realistically, is what I feel. Because see, majorly most of the songs don't have that, where the actor is doing the ad-libs, or if there is some one or two dialogue in between the verses, there is some interaction, some banter. A lot of older songs used to have that. Now we don't have it, but it used to be a lot more common. At least one or two songs would have that kind of interaction, right? Or some ad-libs or some sound effect, with effect to the emotion of the song. But I personally used to love it, but it has faded over the years. It doesn't happen now. So I was very happy to see those little things added, because these are very small details. When you are listening to a song, when you're watching, when you're completely into watching the film or completely into watching the song, you are in the flow of the music, of the feeling, of the emotion. Those things can be missed, but I really wanted to point it out and appreciate those little things, definitely, which are part of the song. So yes, I wish it was subtitled, because I thought, okay, fine, it is re-releasing and all, so if people are remastering and again re-releasing the songs, so it will be subtitled, but it's okay. It's a very old movie, so I mean the subtitling also is a big task, so not every creator or the channels do it, so it's fine, no problem, but you guys can give the summary. But overall, as a song, I did enjoy it, and yes, I had seen a couple of comments that, okay, and I got a couple of DMs also that you have stopped doing the classical song. No, I'm not stopped. It's just that I do a mix of reactions on this channel. It's not just dedicated to classic older songs, but I do a mix and I try to maintain a balance. Sorry, I know the gap has been very long since my last classic song reaction. I will try and reduce that gap, because now I have a list of at least 5-6 songs in my bank that I know that I have to react to and have to get to. So I will ensure that those songs get covered as well. But your suggestions obviously are always welcome. But I'm just letting you know, I have made a list of at least six songs that I have to react and I want to watch and react to, and those are subtitles, so I want to give them first priority. So yes, so I thought I should just let you know. But because Ravana Prabhu re-released recently, so I thought, why not pick a song from that, even though it's not subtitled. So yes, please, suggestions are always welcome. And yeah, that was my reaction. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I'm gonna sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.